experiential learning that happens in CTE should be the driving force of public education.
I want to be a PA, physician assistant.
Oh, wow.
I knew right even before I applied to this school, health tech was my dream shot.
So normally, biotechnology is not a CTE program, but here it is. The students are being readied for a career in science.
Students are exposed to careers that they might not have known existed. They get to try something out before they're in college.
You're down in here.
Even if you're not really super interested in the wiring aspect, audio engineering.
Your instruction is a lot different, I would say, than a typical, core content area classroom.
So now, unplug one part of that lamp.
I like doing this type of stuff, so I want a job that I know what I'm doing, and I'm just not sitting there doing nothing. I like to be active.
I knew there was the workforce development building. I figured we'd be there if I got a class, but I didn't expect to be at an actual job site and get hands-on learning like this.
This stuff can actually help you in your future.
It's as fun as it is a learning experience.
I just like to know how things are made,
You're engaging those students who otherwise would not be engaged.
It really changed my perspective of high school.
I came to high school thinking it's gonna be like middle school. I was just gonna go class to classes, get homework, finish it. Because of this class, I realized what I wanted to do in life.
Here at Roosevelt, we have a college link program, which we can have more college credits forward to our future.
So out of all 40 high schoolers I had in my class, 5 said their parents made more money than that. Most of my students leave here making as much as at least one of their parents, if not more than both their parents. That's the difference that we make. So we're changing family trees.
You get to do a lot of hands-on stuff. It's a great career for the rest of your life.
Me and my classmates just got our CNA license. Vocational school is so much more impactful into my life and allows me to be more prepared for the workforce.